If you've been using corncob lamps for HID replacement, let me walk you through why filament is the better choice for most applications. First, form factor. Filament lamps maintain the exact same ANSI bulb shapes as traditional HID, ED17 through ED37. They drop right into any existing fixture, no measuring required. Corn cobs use a cylindrical design, different from the traditional HID. Therefore, you need to measure your fixture enclosure before ordering. Light distribution. Filament delivers 360-degree fully luminous light, a complete circle, just like traditional HID. Corn cobs use LED panels arranged around a cylinder. There are gaps between those panels, so you don't get the same uniform distribution. Performance. Filament delivers up to 200 lumens per watt. That's an 80% energy savings versus traditional HID. Corn cobs deliver up to 148 lumens per watt, which represents 70% energy savings. Therefore, filament is 35% more efficient. Heat dissipation. Filament's glass enclosure uses natural convection. Heat spreads evenly across the entire surface. There are no hot spots. Corn cobs use an aluminum heat sink with a fanless design. Also good because there are no moving parts to fail. When should you use each? Filament works for most applications: post tops, high bays, wall packs, heritage fixtures, area lights, or dusk to dawn. Corn cobs make sense for specific needs: 277 to 480 volt systems, HID lamps over 450 watts, or IP64 protection for extreme industrial conditions. Bottom line, filament delivers better fit, better light distribution, and higher efficiency. For most HID replacements, it is the better choice. Contact your ICO representative to learn more.